Welcome at the Photovoltaic Technology Laboratory. This laboratory consists of indoor and outdoor infrastructure for service providing and research. This part of the lab is performing tests on PV cells using the external quantum efficiency setup, the steady-state solar simulator, and the pulse solar simulator. This device is a UV sun simulator that produces UVA and UVB radiation. Using this device, you can expose the photovoltaic modules on a specific amount of radiation according to the standard that is followed. Also, it's giving the capability to change the radiation level in order to perform non-standardized tests in the case that the researchers want to evaluate the device under test in different conditions. This apparatus is a climatic chamber that have the capability to vary and control the temperature and relative humidity in the chamber to perform specific tests according to standards such as damp heat test, thermal cycling, and humidity freeze test. Additionally, this device is integrated with external high voltage power supply in order to perform additional standardized or non-standardized tests such as PID. This setup was developed for the performing of insulation and wet leakage tests. Consists of high voltage power supply, a metal enclosure, and the appropriate software to measure and evaluate the electrical insulation of the photovoltaic modules by exposing them in high voltage up to 5 kilovolts. This apparatus is a sun simulator that can test the photovoltaic module under standard test conditions according to standards IEC 61215. It's one of the most important devices of our indoor facility because using it we can get the IV curve of the photovoltaic panels on STC and verify the performance and degradation of them either before or after of any test or the outdoor installation. The outdoor facilities consist of many setups that are used for research purposes and for service to the industry too. There are setups that evaluate new technology of photovoltaic systems. There are also long-term setups that evaluate the performance of different technologies of photovoltaics under real conditions. There is also other setups that performing NOCT test for the calculation of temperature coefficients of photovoltaic modules. Additionally, the laboratory offers also educational program for the professional photovoltaic installers that cover the theoretical and practical part of the photovoltaic systems.